This is a Luxair made by York. Here's the model and serial number. And we have the circuit board jumped out on between R and W for a call for heat. We have the door switch bypassed so we can watch it run. And here is an amp clamp placed around the leg on the inducer motor to see how many amps it's drawn. It's locked up, it's not spinning, still under warranty. Here's the cycling the power onto the furnace. Jumper came off the door switch. Buzzing, not spinning. You can see the shaft of the motor. It's 5.0 amps, 5.1 amps. It's rated for 2.63 full load amps.